Mastering capitalization, first word in parentheses. Hello language enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the intricate world of English grammar. Our specific focus for today? Capitalizing the first word in parentheses. This may seem like a small detail, but mastering it can greatly enhance your written English. Before we jump into the capitalization rules, let's briefly discuss parentheses. Parentheses, also known as round brackets, are used to include additional information or comments which are not essential to the main sentence. They can enclose a single word, a phrase, or even an entire sentence. Now, the basic rule when it comes to capitalizing the first word in parentheses is simple. If the words inside the parentheses form a complete sentence, the first word should be capitalized. However, if the parenthetical statement is part of the preceding sentence, it should not start with a capital letter. Let's clarify this with a couple of examples. 1. He finally answered, after taking 5 minutes to think, that he did not understand the question. 2. He finally answered. He had been thinking for 5 minutes. In the first example, the information inside the parentheses is a continuation of the sentence, so we don't capitalize the first word. But in the second example, the parentheses contain a full sentence, so the first word is capitalized. But as with any grammatical rule, there are exceptions and special cases. If the parenthetical statement begins with a proper noun or the pronoun I, it should be capitalized, even if the statement is part of the preceding sentence. For instance, 1. My best friend, Isabella, lives in Spain. 2. We finally found it, I think, under the bed. Here, Isabella and I are capitalized within the parentheses because they are a proper noun and pronoun, respectively. There you have it, dear learners. Mastering the use and capitalization of parentheses will add precision to your English writing. Remember, it's all in the details when it comes to language learning. We hope this video has clarified the concept of capitalizing the first word in parentheses. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.